Hey, what's up, Anchor Coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with the emergency update of Anchor Coin. My friends, emergency means this update is very important for all Anchor Coin holders. So never miss, and please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of urgent news and updates videos, my friends. Let's start the video, friends. First of all, we look the latest price update of coin, and after that we Anchor coin, and after that we discuss that what will be the next move occurs in the Anchor coin. So the latest price at this time in the market of Anchor coin is 0.07 USD dollar. And the USD dollar price of the Anchor coin is 0.07 USD dollar, and the BTC Bitcoin price of the Anchor coin is 0.0000222 BTC as the currently price of the Bitcoin price. And if you want more, the market cap is here, 24 hours trading volume here, available supply here, and total supply here, my friends. Every update in the front of your eyes. Anyways, my friends, first of all, I want to congratulate all Anchor coin holders that because after a very big falls, the Anchor coins at this time start pumping. So I'm very happy when I see this kind of positive trades occur in the Anchor coin, especially Anchor coin. And you know what? Why I'm very happy? Because after a great falls, the Anchor coin start pump. You can see here last 24 hours, last 1 week, last 1 month pricing is negative. So after a 1 month falls, the Anchor coin start pumping. So absolutely, I'm very happy, and this is a pleasure for me. How do you feel today about Anchor coin? I'm feeling very good because I saw the jump of the Anchor coin after a very big falls, my friends. Don't worry about that. Let's see, my friends, the price chart, and let's try to detect the next move of Anchor coin. My friends, as I told you that completely fast time occurs in the Anchor coin. Completely, you can see here that is the last 1 day price chart of the Anchor coin, especially the last 24 hours. The price very badly fast, but now at the last, as I show you that the last 1 hour price is positive. So in the last, the Anchor coin start pumping, and you know what, my prediction is that they will continue this pump for a long time, because after a great falls, after a long term falls, they start pumping. So it's clear that they will continue this pump for a long time. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Anchor coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.